the Cordless Car Polisher Machine. Say goodbye to tangled cords and limited mobility, as this innovative tool provides the freedom to polish, wax, and buff your beloved vehicle without the constraints of cables. Experience hassle-free detailing with a compact and powerful solution designed for efficiency and convenience. In this video we're breaking down and checking out 5 best Cordless Car Polisher Machine 2024. I've made this list based on performance, quality, customer review, price and more. I've included options for every type of consumer. So whether you're looking for a cordless car polisher machine, we'll have the best products for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. 5th product on my list, AutoCare Cordless Mini Polisher. The AutoCare Cordless Mini Polisher has emerged as a game-changer, offering a seamless and efficient solution to all your auto detailing needs. Powerful and reliable battery, AutoCare takes pride in its battery technology, and for good reason. With over 25 years of constant improvement, the 12-volt battery boasts a life expectancy of at least 1,000 cycles. No more worries about dying batteries or ones that won't charge after minimal usage. AutoCare has truly got your back in the power department. Cordless freedom. The struggle with messy cords during car polishing is a thing of the past. The cordless polisher from AutoCare liberates you from the hassle, allowing you to glide effortlessly around your car without any annoying cords blocking your way. Say hello to uninterrupted detailing sessions. Lightweight and beginner-friendly, weighing in at just 1.7 pounds with the battery, this mini polisher is a breeze to handle. The portable design makes it easy for carrying and storage, perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Variable speed control. Whether you're a professional or an amateur, the cordless polisher caters to your needs. The 0-3000 RPM range ensures it's powerful enough for the pros and safe for beginners. The plus or minus speed control buttons offer flexibility, allowing you to adjust the speed according to the specific task or material. It's not just a polisher, it's a versatile tool for waxing, polishing, and buffing. The AutoCare Cordless Mini Polisher has become an essential tool in my car care routine. It combines power, convenience, and versatility in one sleek package. 4th product on my list, Jauhi Cordless Car Polisher. Are you tired of dealing with cords while polishing your car? The Jauhi Cordless Car Polisher might just be the solution you've been looking for. Durable and noiseless, the Jauhi Cordless Car Polisher boasts a sturdy construction with a high-impact ABS shell, ensuring durability in the long run. The internal motor, made entirely of copper with anti-interference, not only adds to the durability but also guarantees a noiseless operation. This is a significant advantage, making the polishing process more pleasant and user-friendly. Lightweight and portable, weighing in at just 3 pounds, this cordless polisher is exceptionally lightweight, making it a breeze to carry around and store. The 5mm Random Orbits DA ensures a uniform finish, making it beginner-friendly on all painted surfaces. The lightweight design contributes to the overall ease of use, allowing users to handle it effortlessly. High efficiency. The Jauhi Cordless Car Polisher offers 3 optional package sets, providing flexibility to users based on their specific needs. The battery, despite its large capacity, maintains a compact size, ensuring both power and convenience in one package. This feature makes it versatile for various applications, from car polishing to woodworking and even furniture polishing. Speed adjustable. With speed adjustable from 1 to 6 levels and a fully adjustable 2500 to 7000 RPM, the Jauhi Cordless Car Polisher provides a wide range of options for different tasks. Whether you're applying waxes, sealants, or glazes, the adjustable speed settings ensure precision and efficiency in every application. The Jauhi Cordless Car Polisher impresses with its durable build, noiseless operation, lightweight design, high efficiency, power alert function, and versatile usage. 3rd product on my list, Krck Cordless Car Polisher. If you're in search of a powerful and versatile cordless car polisher, the Krck 900-watt Cordless Car Polisher Machine might just be the answer to your detailing needs. Eccentric shaft design. One of the standout features of the Krck Cordless Car Polisher is its eccentric shaft design. This innovative design ensures that the polisher operates without damaging the car paint. For car enthusiasts who prioritize maintaining the integrity of their vehicle's exterior, this feature offers peace of mind during every polishing session. Overload protection. Safety is paramount when it comes to power tools, and the Krck Cordless Car Polisher doesn't disappoint. With built-in overload protection, it extends the service life of the machine while enhancing safety for the user. This feature is particularly valuable for prolonged polishing sessions, ensuring consistent performance without risking damage to the polisher or the vehicle. Brushless all-copper motor. Equipped with a brushless all-copper motor, the Krck Cordless Car Polisher delivers self-controlled operation. This ensures smooth and efficient performance, allowing users to achieve professional-grade results with ease. The brushless design also contributes to the longevity of the motor, minimizing maintenance requirements and maximizing reliability over time. Industrial-grade lithium batteries. Powered by industrial-grade lithium batteries featuring large capacity cells, the Krck Cordless Car Polisher offers unparalleled performance and endurance. The Krck 900-watt Cordless Car Polisher Machine impresses with its eccentric shaft design, overload protection, brushless all-copper motor, industrial-grade lithium batteries, and intelligent quick panel. Second product on my list, Batoca S4 Cordless Car Polisher. If you're on the hunt for a highly versatile and user-friendly cordless car polisher, the Batoca S4 might just be your perfect detailing companion. Flexible and lightweight design, the Batoca S4 positions itself as a top contender for the world's most flexible polisher, and it's easy to see why. The new lightweight design not only facilitates easy handling but also enables reaching every spot on your car without the need to switch tools. This flexibility is a game-changer, allowing for efficient and comprehensive detailing without the hassle. Expertly crafted for detailers, the Batoca S4 is expertly created with the detailer in mind. It features multiple gripping positions, providing stable and comfortable handling over various points on the tool. This thoughtful design ensures that every detailing session is not only effective but also comfortable for the user. The rubber collar on the head adds an extra layer of protection, preventing any accidental scratches on your car's surface. Cordless convenience. Say goodbye to the struggles of tripping over cables or dealing with extension cords. The cordless design of the Batoca S4 saves the day by offering unparalleled convenience. Whether you're working in your garage, outdoors, or on the road, this polisher allows you to move freely without being tethered to an outlet. No more worries about holding cords over your shoulder to avoid tripping, just seamless polishing or sanding work. Intelligent battery system. The Batoca S4 takes cordless convenience a step further with its intelligent battery system. The built-in indicator keeps you informed about the status of your battery, ensuring you're never caught off guard. Moreover, the availability of batteries at various levels means you always have a backup waiting in the wings to keep your detailing sessions going. The Batoca S4 Cordless Car Polisher shines as a flexible, lightweight, and expertly crafted tool for detailers. Its cordless design and intelligent battery system make it a hassle-free solution for car enthusiasts, whether they're working in their garage, outdoors, or on the go. First product on my list, SPTA Dual Action Car Polisher. If you're in search of a versatile and efficient car polisher, the SPTA 18-volt Cordless Dual Action Car Polisher might just be the solution for your polishing, waxing, and swirl removing needs. Dual Action Perfection. The SPTA Cordless Dual Action Car Polisher comes equipped with a random orbit, swirl-free polishing and sanding action. This unique feature reduces the risk of machine tracks, burn marks, and holograms, setting it apart from normal polishers or rotary machines. Perfect for polishing, waxing, and effectively removing swirls, this dual-action design ensures a professional finish without compromising on safety. Self-locking power switch. The self-locking power switch is a game-changer for users looking to minimize fatigue during extended detailing sessions. The switch lock design allows you to maintain a consistent speed by locking down the button. When the spindle is locked, you can swiftly replace accessories without the need for additional tools, streamlining your polishing workflow. Speed regulator for precision. The placement of the speed control dial in the middle of the machine body, right above the user's thumb, ensures easy operation. With a speed range from 2000 to 4500 OPM, the SPTA Cordless Car Polisher provides flexibility in compound application and guarantees a reliable final polishing effect. Achieve the precise speed needed for your specific detailing task effortlessly. Cordless freedom with lithium batteries. Say goodbye to the restrictions of cables with the SPTA Cordless Car Polisher. The lithium battery-powered design offers the freedom to use it in any location without the hassle of cords. Its small and ergonomic design makes it easy to hold, ideal for both home use and carrying it outdoors. Ultrafine fiber wax collection tray. Traditional polishing often involves using towels to collect wax, which can lead to scratches. The SPTA Cordless Car Polisher introduces an ultrafine fiber wax collection tray, working seamlessly with the polishing machine to swiftly store the wax ash of the entire car. This innovative design ensures a cleaner and more efficient detailing process. The SPTA 18-volt Cordless Dual Action Car Polisher shines with its dual action perfection, self-locking power switch, precision speed regulation, cordless freedom, and efficient material usage.